Hi, this is the Rhino TQ4 heater. It's an infrared heater, 2.2 kilowatts, so super powerful. And this one's a 240 volt, 13 amp version, but it also comes in a 110 volt, 32 amp version. I'll show you the differences in plugs so that you can make sure you order the right one. But today, I'm going to unbox this and show you all of its features. Okay, so now we've got it fully unboxed and the heating elements are in. And as you would have seen, I had to just undo the front grille, take the elements out and put them into the spring-loaded connectors within the heater. Obviously make sure you haven't got it plugged in whilst you're doing that. And then, as you can see on the back of the heater, you've got an LCD display here, power on off, and because this one's the 240 volt, the 13 amp plug socket you would use in like a domestic environment. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in and show you some of its features in action. But before we do that, I wanted to talk to you about the voltages. So this one that we're looking at here is the 240 volt with a 13 amp plug, but it also comes in the 110 volt 32 amp plug. That's what it would come with. This, to be differently identified to the 110 volt 16 amp, as you can see, it's quite a lot smaller. So this heater in the 110 volt version for site safety comes with the 32 amp, the bigger one. Okay, so just so that you can make sure you order the right one and you know whether it's going to suit the supply that you have. And again, it's the 240 volt, as I say, it's the 13 amp domestic plug, not the 240 volt 16 amp. Okay, so these Rhino TQ4 heaters only come with the 13 amp plug or the 32 amp 110 volt plug. Okay, so order the one that suits your supply. Okay, so now we have it all plugged in. So this is a really tough, moulded, solid body that it has. It also comes with integrated wheels, so it's really easy to move around. It's not massively heavy anyway, it only weighs just below 15 kilos, but obviously the wheels make it really easy to move around, particularly on site where it's not even a lot of the times as well anyway. It's got two 1100 watt ruby quartz heating elements on the front, and they're specifically designed so that the efficiency is really high. 95% of the energy that goes into heating the objects in front. So that's great. And on the back here, you see the LCD display. So it's got lots of functions, which there's a user manual for as well, so it can explain how you can set all of that, because you can set 24-hour timers, you can control so that it's got thermostatic temperature that you can set as well. You can control whether only one of the halogen lights comes on or two, and all lots of great features like that. It also has an anti-tilt feature as well. It's got loads of great features. What I'm going to do now is get it turned on, and I can show you it in action. So, there you go. Hit this orange switch at the back here and it lights up, and you can see the LCD showing OF because it's off. So what I'm going to do is just hit the power symbol on the LCD and the first element comes on, as you can see there. And so this is, it's great heat coming off of that already, and it's on its lowest setting pretty much. And then we can also press the sunshine symbol, which adds the second element. You see the second element comes on. Make sure you can see that. You see it cuts out. So it's very safe. It's one of our most popular heaters. We sell lots of these across the country. So if you want to get one of these, then come to us. Thanks so much.